Hi there. My name is Justin Handley, and I am the founder of Pirate and Fox. Pirate and Fox is a digital marketing agency that helps people who are trying to change the world make a bigger impact by providing backline marketing and technical support. That is the unique selling proposition or value proposition of my company. If you can't tell me in one sentence what your company does right now, then Branding Foundations is the perfect starting place for you. Branding Foundations is a course that we've put together from over 20 years of experience in small and mid-sized business branding to help business owners take the first steps of creating the real identity of their company, defining the details, and moving it into a physical document that can be shared with employees, clients, freelancers. As the remote work sphere is growing, it becomes more and more important to make sure that you can get everyone that works on and for your company on the same page about your voice and your backstory and your tone and who you are. Branding is so much more than logos and colors. It is visual identity and it is core identity. And that is the more important part that often gets brushed over when people just go and make a logo for their new business they've started. So, if you haven't thought about branding yet, this is the perfect place for you to start. And if you are 10 years down the line and you're just unhappy with your current branding scenario, this is a great opportunity for you to remind yourself and refresh your identity, which can then drive marketing and sales and the entire presence of your company. So, this is a 12-part course. It's broken into exercises that have a 5 to 10 minute video and about 10 minutes of homework each. So you can walk through this on your own time. That's a total of less than 4 hours. And you'll end up with a brand kit that you can then easily turn into a PDF and hand to designers and writers and potential business partners that will give real clarity on who you are, what you do, and why what you do is important, and you know get that real core meat of your offer nailed down. So I hope that you will join us and check it out now.